Hey guys, today I have the Sephora play for the month of February and I'm going to go ahead and unbox it with you guys. So first up is the little pamphlet as always. With the Sephora plays, it's $10 a month. I do pay for it myself, and in each one you get 50 extra bonus points for like your insider beauty, which you can use on deluxe size samples and things like that. So you always get a 50 point extra bonus, but you have to actually go into store and purchase something and then they'll scan it and add those 50 points. So that is something like because I don't always go, especially like lately I haven't been like on that kind of roll of buying as much as I used to. But this month it says share the love, and it says your eyeliner is a work of art. It has all kind of little things here. It says you're a good friend, all kinds of little positive things. So I'm going to go ahead and open it up, and then here on the inside it tells you what you got and how to use it and what you'll love it, or how to use it and what it is. So let's go ahead and see what the baggie looks like. So the baggie is Valentine's themed. It says feel the love, and it has a little heart with a little girl on the front, and the ribbon is pink. And let's go ahead and dig in here and see what I got. So first thing that I'm pulling out is a Sephora. This is a Gel Gloss Ultra Brilliant, and this is in the Perfect Nude. And I've really been into glosses lately, and I don't know why. For a while there I was like really into the whole matte trend, and lately I've just really been into more satin and more glossy type of things. So if you have any recommendations, definitely leave them below, like what your favorite glosses are and things like that. So let's see what this puppy looks like. Oh look, the dough applicator is kind of like an hourglass shape, and let's go ahead and swatch it. It's not very pigmented. It's kind of one of these glosses that you can top on top of a lipstick, so I do like that, because not all the time you want something that has like a lot of pigmentation. Sometimes you want something just to go on top of your lipstick itself. And next thing in here is the Lancome Drama Liquid Pencil. I'm sorry, my best friend is calling me. I'm gonna have to call her back. The Lancome Drama Liquid Pencil, and this is an eyeliner, and this is in the shade Couture d'Azur. So it almost sounds like azul, which is blue in Spanish, so I'm thinking that maybe that's what it is. And by the looks in the picture, yeah, it's a bright blue. I have yet to try anything from Lancome as far as liners, so we'll see if this is any good. It is super bright and really beautiful, so this will be fun to play with like on the lower lash line or in the waterline. It says a long-lasting, richly pigmented eyeliner that glides on smoothly and is easy to use. Next thing in here is the Makeup Forever Artist Rouge Matte, and this is in the shade M500, and that's what it looks like right there. And I know a lot of people don't like these because they're super mini sizes, but I actually really like them because it gives me a chance to play with a lot of Sephora's brands and then decide if I want to really invest. And I've actually found quite a few things that I like this way, and then go ahead and buy the full size rather than like purchase full size and then have to return it or not really like it. So let's see what the shade looks like. Oh my god, mine's empty. Oh my god, how horrible. It's stuck on the cap. Oh god. Ugh, that sucks. Okay, so that totally sucks. I'm gonna go ahead and swatch it out. The tip is all, it got the tip all nasty in there. That is very disappointing. It probably melted on the way here. And that's what the shade looks like. I would have hoped that this would be a nude to go with the gloss, and sadly it's like one of these like dark burgundy kind of reds. So I do like the shade. It's a shade that I use but not as frequent. I would have really liked a nude to pair up with the lip gloss. And it says it's a high pigment lipstick known for its legendary staying power in a striking deep wine shade for the ultimate impact. Next thing in here is the Peter Thomas Roth Firming Peeling Gel. I'm probably going to give this away because I have the full size of this. This is really great for exfoliating your skin. You can just really see the little pieces of skin come off, and you just kind of really feel the feeling of like a chemical peel, but not as extensive as like a one when you can go to a like when you go to a dermatologist or an esthetician. It's just kind of like an at-home peel, and I really, really like this. I think I have a video showing this, so I will try to link that down below if I can. And I kind of just rub it on my hand, and you can actually see how it takes away like the dead skin from my hand. I know that's not the same as your face, but when you do this on your face, you feel the same kind of action. So I really, really like this. And yeah, I'm just probably going to give this to a friend since I do own the full size. Next thing in here is the perfume. It always comes with little perfumes, and I really like these because even though they're tiny, you do get like 2 uses out of them. And sometimes you find perfume that you really, really like. The other day I was using, I think it's like Janie Had a Gun or Janie's Gun, or it's some kind of perfume name like that, and it was like a little small one that I had from somewhere in one of these Sephora little try things, and I fell in love with it. And the day that I put it on, everyone was like, oh, you smell so good, I love that smell, like what are you wearing? And it's definitely one that as soon as I finish like some of my bottles, I am definitely going to purchase that one because I absolutely love the smell, even though the name is like far to the left, like it has a really weird name. So this is called Love Relentlessly by Tory Burch, and this one says that it's a sparkling fragrance of pink pepper, patchouli, and dewy rose that captures the first butterflies of love. And the last thing in here is the Hello Fab First Aid Beauty Ginger and Turmeric Vitamin C Gel Mask, and this is, it says free of artificial fragrance, allergy tested, and on the little pamphlet it says a revitalizing gel mask that's packed with ginger and turmeric to comfort and brighten stressed out skin. So we'll definitely be trying this out, and I really like the size of this one. I think that I can get like 2 or 3 masks from this definitely, and we'll see how I like this. I like a lot of First Aid Beauty stuff, especially like their skincare stuff, so I will definitely be giving this a go and see what I like. I really like this month's bag, except for the lipstick that was a total fail, but other than that I really like it. I feel like these 2 are really nice size samples. You can get quite a few uses for these. The lip gloss is a nice size too, and the liner. The lipstick, like I said, was a fail just because it melted, and I wanted like a different color. I feel like every time they send a Makeup Forever, is it me or they always send like reds or deep wines? It's just like a constant thing. It's almost like they have way too many of those and they're just trying to get rid of them. So yeah, that is all for this month's play. I actually like this month's box. I like it better than last month's. Let me know what you guys think of this month's box, what you liked, what you didn't, and what you got if you are subscribed to Sephora Play as well. I'd love to hear back from you guys. Thank you guys as always for watching, for subscribing. If you're not subscribed, hit that little red button down below. Love you guys, and until next time, bye guys.